Are you ready to draw cute little Cristiano Ronaldo together? Now let's draw with me. Hello little soccer fans. Welcome back to Little Pencil Draw. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that football style like button. First, I draw an oval shape for his right eye. Then, I make the upper part of the eye thicker and darker to create his eyelashes. I draw a curved line inside the eye to separate the colored part of the eye. Repeat the same steps symmetrically for the left eye. Next, let's add some shine dots to make the eyes look extra sparkly and cute. Now, draw a curved line to separate the bottom of the pupil. You can color the lower part later and fill in the top part with black. Let's draw a tiny oval for his nose and a nice, big curve for his happy smile. Let's draw his short, thick eyebrows above his eyes. They make him look so cute. Awesome job! Now, let's draw a U-shaped line under his eyes and mouth. It should go all the way up to his eyes, just like a little bowl. Use 2 lines on the sides for the head. Now, let's add 2 curves on the sides for his ears. Ronaldo's hair is always short, but it's stylish. A small section of his bangs can fall onto his forehead. And add the hairline around his forehead. Oh my goodness! He looks amazing! Add a few details inside. Let's move on to the body. Start with a triangle for his jersey collar. Okay, now, follow along with me to draw his shoulders, arms, sleeves, and his shirt on both sides. In this drawing, Ronaldo's pose looks like he's shouting, "Shoo!" Write the player's jersey number in the center of the shirt. His jersey number is 7. You can draw his clenched fists just like this. Under his shirt, let's draw his soccer shorts nice and simple. His knees are slightly bent. Finally, Try drawing his shoes pointing slightly outward. You can send your drawings to Little Pencil Draw, or even to Ronaldo himself. And done! He is so adorable, right? See you next time.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.